This video is made for tall building design project assignment for Ki-Fi Labs online courses by myself J C Biju. This is a 23 story building. Story 1 to 8 have the figure as shown here. Story 9 to 14 as the figure that's shown here. Story 15 to 19 as shown here. Story 20 to 23 here is shown here. A uniform dead load of 2 kilonewton per meter squared of slab is to be applied, and live load for 1 to 8 5 kilonewton per meter squared. Story 9 to 14 it is 4.5. Story 15 to 19 it is 4 kilonewton. Story 20 to 23 it is 3.5 kilonewton. Column we are considered 500 by 500, 550 by 550, 600 by 600. Beams considered 500 by 300, 550 by 350, 600 by 400. M40 concrete, HYSD 500, mild 250 rebar, slabs 150 mm thick, M40. Cladding is to be provided. Cladding load to be taken 0.2 kilonewton per meter. Wind load as per Bangalore. Now we will start it up. File, new model. Use built-in settings with metric SI, Indian, IS 800 2007, IS 450 2000. Okay. Now number of grid lines in X direction 4, number of grid lines in Y direction 4, spacing in X direction 6, spacing in Y direction 6, number of story 23, typical height, custom story data, edit story data, story number 8, master story, story number 14, again master story, number 14, again master story, 14, 14, 14, 14, 14, number 19, story number 19, again master story, 19, 19, 19, 19, right click OK, click OK, grid only, OK. Now define material property, add new material, India, concrete, M40, OK, OK, add new material, rebar 500, OK, OK, add new material, mild grade 250, OK, OK, OK. Now define section properties, frame section, add new property, concrete, column 500 by 500, here M40, here 500, width 500, Reinforcement modifying, this is column, this is 500. Confinement bar, mile till 250, cover 40, okay, okay. Add copy of property, in this column 550 by 550, 550, here it's 550, here also 550 width, so okay. Add copy of property, this is column 600 by 600, here also 600, here also 600, okay. Add new property, auto select, here column auto select, name is to be given column auto select concrete. Select these columns, add, okay. Add new property, beam is to be, no, beam 500 by 300, here M40, depth 500, width 300, 300. Reinforcement modifying, here it should be beam, here it should be 500, it should be mild 250, here cover to be 25, be 25, okay, okay. Add a copy of the property, this is beam 550 by 350, 350, here depth 550, width 350, okay. Add a copy of property, beam 600 by 400, M40, here 600, width depth 600, width is 400, okay. Add a new property, auto select, this is beam, auto select, here it is concrete, so beam select, add, okay, okay. Now slab to be defined, section properties, slab sections, add a new property, here slab 150, name M40 concrete, slab thickness 150, okay, okay. Now material is defined, section is defined. Now he will take similar stories. We'll go to story number 1. Now draw columns. Here property is to be selected, column auto select, column auto select, select all. Now draw beam, quick draw beams. Here beam auto select, select all, select all. Now draw slab, floor. Yes, slab property slab 150, select all. Now we will go to story number 9. 9. Draw column, select portion as required. Column selected. Draw beam, quick draw beams, beam to be selected. Beam selected. Now slab, quick draw slab. Slab selected. Now we will go for story number 15. Story number 15. Draw column, quick draw columns, select as required. Selected. Now beam selection, quick draw beam. Beam selected. Now slab selection, quick draw. Now we will go for story number 20. 20. Draw columns, draw columns, draw columns. Selected. Draw beam, draw floor, slab, slab selected. Now we will go for base, base. This is single story. Now we will select assign, joint, restrain, fixed support, apply, OK. Now selected all stories. Go to number 1, story number 1, assign, shell loads, uniform. Sorry, first select all slabs to for slab loads. 147 shells selected. Assign shell loads uniform 2 kilonewton per meter squared. Apply OK. Now select similar stories. Select slabs. Assign shell loads uniform. Here it is live load. Here it is live load. This is 5 kilonewton per meter square. Apply OK. Now select frame load, cladding load. 96 frames selected. Now assign frame loads distributed 0.2 0.2 kilonewton per meter. Apply OK. Now going to story number 9. 9. Select all slabs. Assign shell loads uniform live. This is a 4.5 kilonewton per meter square. Apply OK. Select cladding load. 72 frames selected. That is frame load distributed. Point 2 apply. Okay. Now we're going to 15 story. 15 story. Select all slabs. Assign shell loads uniform. This is 4 kilonewton per meter squared. Apply. Okay. Select frames. Outer frames. 60 frames are selected. Assign frame loads distributed. Point 2 apply. Okay. 20 story number 20. 20 select slabs. Assign shell loads uniform 3.5 live load. Apply. Okay. Select 24 frames selected. Now assign frame loads distributed. Point 2 apply. Okay. Now going to display in frames. One story. Go to 23 story. Select slabs. Assign shell loads uniform. Delete existing loads. Select frames. Assign frame loads distributed. Delete existing loads. Apply. OK. Now going to first floor. Now we will wind loads elevation. A. Apply. OK. No, before that, okay, we will define wind loads, load pattern, wind, wind, IS 875. Now add a new load, modify lateral load, wind speed is Bangalore region 33, terrain category 3, structure class C, risk coefficient factor for 50 years lifespan is 1, topography is 1, click OK, OK. Now going to elevation, A, elevation view, it is the plan. Okay. elevations. Here display illustrate is all stories. Elevation. Okay. Assign shell loads, wind pressure plus 0.8 close. Mm, we will draw autoclading autoclad. We will not give that now. Elevation will give A. Apply OK. Select all stories. 41 cells. Assign wind pressure coefficient 0.8 plus 0.8 windward. Apply OK. Now elevation at B. OK. Select all. Told. Assign shell loads wind pressure 0.8. Apply OK. Now elevation in the C. OK. Select assign wind pressure is minus 0.25 as per IS code minus 0.25. This is leeward side. Apply OK. Elevation at the D. Apply OK. Select all. Assign shell loads wind pressure 0.25 leeward. Apply OK. Now select one. Apply OK. Select all. Now here first everything is to be selected. Everything is selected. Now assign load. Assign shell loads wind pressure. Here it is minus zero point 0.8 as per IS code. Minus 0.8. Lever direct apply. Okay. Now plan story 1. Okay, here it is given zero point 0.8. This is zero point 0.8. This is 0.25. Now wind load is applied. Now we are ready for analyzing the structure. Now run analyze. Now I will save project. Building project 23-story building. Okay, now analysis is applied. Analysis over. Now design concrete frame design view revised IS 456 2000. Okay, design concrete frame design start design check. Design check is going on. This analysis and design section differ for 705 concrete frames. Do you want to reiterate analysis and design? Yes. Now design is completed. Have to check concrete frame design. Verify all member passed. All concrete frame passed. The design check. Okay. Now we will start detailing. Start detailing. Detailing has been done. Now report. Project report. Generating report. Now detailing project report is also over. Here, tall building design project is completed. Thank you very much.